Let's take a quick look at my new water resistant and fire resistant file bag. It is just a basic bag that you can put your files in that is water resistant and fire resistant. This is how it came directly out of the package. I just thought I'd let you see this before I opened it up. I haven't really even looked inside yet. I think this goes in the bottom of the bag, but I don't even know yet. It does have a great little handle. And then you open it up. Lots of space for files. I will show you the files in it once we look at this all the way through. There's a nice pocket here, which I think would be great for quick to need to find things. And then it's all got really nice, strong Velcro. This here, you can put some cards in here. And then it's got these little packets, which I think would be good for USBs. And then there's these sort of, I don't know, they're like mesh pockets in here that you can put whatever you think that is mesh pocket. These are actually really nice. There's a lot of pockets in here. Okay, so it does have instructions on how to set and code the lock that is right there in the front. That was one of the reasons I got it, because I thought, oh, that's great. I can lock it up, keep it safe. It's got the handles to be able to carry it. It was exactly what I was looking for. This, I think, just goes in the bottom to make it more secure and more like a box. And then you can close it, and there is a zipper around it right here. If I could get it on the box right. There we go. So it zips right up, and then you set the lock and you can lock it. I am going to go take it downstairs, fill it up, and then I'll show you what it looks like full. Here's a close-up of the front of the box. As you can see, it has the double zippers in the front, which does make it a little bit more convenient. You can just unzip it here. I've got my files in there. So I'm going to show you how easily it does unzip. Whoops, I mustn't have got it all the way. And then there are all my files in there. They go in there perfectly. The edges of the hanging files, which don't come with it, they were mine, just sort of sit on the edge. Love that. They look great in there. I also put some stuff in this pocket that I wanted to have in there. And then I took the instructions and put them right in here where they could easily be seen. Because I will probably forget where I put them, but at least if I know that they're there, I have the instructions ready to go. I am really happy with this purchase. It is exactly what I was looking for.